So hello my dear friends, just one request for those people who are appearing in CUET PG Economics 2023 examination. Whatever videos so far I have uploaded how to tackle macroeconomics, how to decode Indian economy, how to approach and solve past year papers, what should be the resources for Indian economy, what should be the resources for microeconomics, macroeconomics, growth and development, each and everything. Hardly there will be 4 and 5 videos I have uploaded. Just a simple request, you please watch these lectures. These are very richful content. I don't force you to join the course, join the class. As you have been knowing, you can see here ki I have kept minimum fee in the entire India and providing affordable and efficient education, but I am not forcing you to join the course. It's up to you, you can join. So far we have taken only 4-5 classes. Still you have time, you can join, but I request you, whatever videos I have uploaded, that is free of cost, freely available on YouTube. These courses like पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स का डिस्कशन है, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट, इंडियन इकोनॉमी, ये सारे आप लोग ज़रूर से ज़रूर देखें एंड प्लीज़ गियर अप योर प्रिपरेशन. Thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any notification. See you soon in the next video and please join the Telegram link which is given below. Bye bye guys.